Good. You done? How was it?
Awesome.
That's nasty. Remember? Oh yeah, you kind of rolled through some poo there, I think. That's a little gross. Hey, did you get any on your back too? Here, turn around. Yeah. I think your back is mostly poop-free. Mostly. Oh, you got a little on your elbow. Here, why don't we find a visitor center to clean you off in?
Hold this.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't. Ugh. Yeah, why don't you just not? We'll go back to the visitor center and clean you off. All right. You could just take that off. I don't know what we're gonna do about your pants though. Well, that was disgusting.
Yeah, you're the one who didn't roll through it.
I know. I'm glad I didn't.
Should've. No, Aslan should've.
Yeah. What an adventure. Do you have anything?
Wet still.
Any final words?
Don't do it.